Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back everyone to the third and final tutorial video. Today we're going to be talking about a poster page, specifically how we can add, edit, remove, or even manage the gallery within the poster page. But before we do that, let's remind ourselves what the main features are in the poster page. The poster page is for blog articles that tend to be more graphic in nature, such as illustrations, posters, and leaflets. If you want to see a poster more clearly, you can go ahead and select it. Once you've clicked, it will focus on the poster and it will allow you to zoom, allowing you to read even further and even closer for those who are visually impaired. The poster also has a caption that will tell you what it's about and who made it, as well as the subunit they belong to. Even more, you're able to share it through Facebook, as well as zoom in or have an exact full screen to even see it closer, and move on to the next posters. Now, how do we exactly add or change posters? Well, that's simple. Go back to cokroblog.com/wp-admin and be sure to sign in with the information I told in the last video. So, riskyig.p and the password is Cokrodiningratan123. Press remember me and then log in. Once you do this, you can go ahead and press pages and find the poster page here. Go ahead and press edit with Elementor. Once you have done this, you realize you are now editing the poster page. Simply click on the poster page, and you can see the gallery that is currently available. To change or add a poster, press this button, and now you have full access to all the posters. Here you can change the captions, or move the order of the posters of which it will be shown, or even reverse the order should you choose to do so. If you want to add an image, press Add to Gallery, in which case it will bring forward different types of posters that we have already uploaded. So in our case, let's upload and select the file. From here you can see that I'm currently uploading poster Bancana Banjir by our subunit member Ferry Ferdita. So once I've selected it, press Add to Gallery, and once you've added to gallery, you can go ahead and change the order. So let me put this poster right here. And then for the caption, I will write Poster Bencana Banjir by Ferry Ferdita of subunit 2. Once you have finalized it, go ahead and press Insert Gallery. By now, the poster will be updated. Go ahead and press this Update button to make sure it shows up in the web page. Once you have updated, you can press this symbol to preview the changes you have done. And if we scroll down, you can see that his poster is added here. Now, what if you want to delete a poster? That's simple as well. Go back to the page, press the button again, and then simply click on the X seen in the images. So, imagine we want to delete this one. You can do that. Same with press Insert Gallery, and then press Update. And you can see that the poster has been deleted. One final thing you might do is maybe change the order of the posters depending on the categories or the theme you would like to achieve. To do that, simply go back, press Edit, and then simply just move and drag the posters wherever you feel comfortable. So, in this case, let's move Ferry Ferdita's one into the beginning, press Insert Gallery, press Update again, and then press Preview Changes, and you can see his poster has been updated to be in the very front page. Next time you go to Cokroblog poster, you can see that his poster is fully updated in the website itself. So yeah, now you know how to manage posters by adding, deleting, and moving them around. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the video below. And that's it for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.